Dogs aren't equipped to make a clean kill. But he's relentless. A gray wolf couple lead their family. Tracking down their prey is one thing. Killing it is another. Adult bison weigh around a ton, and they have lethal horns and hooves. The herd is like a fortress. The wolf family lays siege, searching for a hint of fear or weakness. They hang in for days. No need to do much. Keep them surrounded. Eventually, the wolves get under their skin. Now, they must keep them on the run. Father leads the chase. Once he's selected a victim, he doesn't give up. Bite by bite, he wears the young bison down. Endurance helps him take down prey at least 5 times heavier than himself.